Welcome once again. Let's talk about Robinhood. Let's talk about Teruna Classic and Robinhood listing, which we believe, if this comes to pass, this is going to be one of the biggest listing of Teruna Classic this year. Now, remember, Robinhood is one of the top crypto exchange, and before they list a particular coin, there are certain things they need to check. Now we'll be talking about Robinhood listing Teruna Classic coin. Now, it seems that Robinhood are not interested, but Binance are fully not giving up. They're fully ready to keep pushing Teruna Classic coin. But for Robinhood, it seems they are not interested. But the community of Teruna Classic on Twitter, you see them trying to mount pressure on Robinhood to list Teruna Classic. Now, Robinhood needs two important things. They always check two important things before they can decide or start talking about listing a particular coin. Number one is that Robinhood always check how popular a particular coin is. Okay, they normally check how popular that particular coin is. So when the coin is very popular, out there people are talking about the coin is very popular, you see Robinhood will start getting interest. For now, Teruna Classic does not have that. Okay, it's not that popular. Like when you mention some coins like Shiba Inu, when you mention coins, Teruna Classic is gradually getting that popularity, because right now Teruna Classic is now ranked among the top 50 crypto coins. Okay, before it wasn't ranked among the top 50 after the crash, but now Teruna Classic gradually is coming up and the popularity will start increasing, and I believe Robinhood will start considering listing this coin. Number two is a social media presence, and they need coins with high social media presence, and Teruna Classic does not have that also. But recently we also saw an increase on Teruna Classic followers on Twitter, on Instagram. I believe gradually, especially now that Teruna Classic is now among the top 50 crypto coins with the highest market cap, a lot of people get to see, a lot of people get to know this coin, and gradually you will see this coin will keep increasing, the followers will keep increasing. When we talk about social media presence, remember this coin, like the video I did yesterday, this coin have over 1,030,000 watch lists according to coin market cap. You see, so I believe that very soon they will meet all these criteria, they will meet all these demands, and you'll be seeing Teruna Classic being listed by more exchanges, not just Robinhood. So let's keep pressing, let's keep pushing this coin, let's keep making it popular, let's keep supporting Teruna Classic coin, and I believe very soon we all will be smiling.